Despierta San Antonio es patrocinado por SeaWorld. Octubre trae consigo una temporada escalofriante a SeaWorld San Antonio y hoy me encuentro con Chuck. ¿Cómo estás, Chuck? Good to
I'm
see
good.
you.
It's good to see you.
So what's happening this year?
Oh, we've got Howl Scream, the biggest, scariest Halloween event in all of Texas. Check it out. We have 6 haunted houses, 7 territories. We have party zones. We have bars. It is the place to be for Halloween.
Es la temporada para estar durante Halloween porque ya lo saben que esto se convierte en un lugar donde hay casas de espanto, donde hay zonas de terror y muchísima diversión para todos. Is there any new monster?
Monsters. Well, I was thinking we need an extra monster. We've got about 300 of them, but we need 301. That's where you come in. Let's make you into a monster and you can scare people here at SeaWorld.
Oh my God, I think that's like my dream come true.
Okay, let's go do it.
Chuck, what does it take to become a monster?
Well, in order to put on Howl Scream, we need over 300 scare actors. And in order to prepare for the event, they have to first get into makeup. It could be airbrush makeup or it could be traditional makeup. Then from there, they put on their costumes and voila, they are ready to scare people.
Después de un maquillaje profesional y también este vestuario, pues me he convertido en un vampiro. Ahora sí que lo único que tengo que hacer es salir, rondar el parque para asustar a la gente. Si ustedes son valientes y quieren venir a disfrutar de Howl Scream, lo pueden hacer hasta el último fin de semana de octubre. Despierta San Antonio fue patrocinado por SeaWorld.